Choose your lettuce leaf.
Cheers.
Cheers. We get balsamic? Oh, that's pretty good.
Wow.
It's a salad.
Better.
It's a salad.
Better show.
JC, that was delicious.
Just be all Serena, that sounds great.
Well, when you haven't had a salad in 6 months, it's delicious.
So this is 15 days. It's twice a day, and they're typically in the middle of the night, which is the morning for the crew on space station, and then usually sometime in the late morning, early afternoon here. But Kyle's been running the show. He's been getting up every 6 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours to do this. It's kind of fun in a way. I get to play astronaut on the ground, so that's always fun.
After 15 days of running the experiment, the researchers have a lot of valuable data about how hydrogels behave in microgravity. To learn even more, the samples will come back to Earth for further analysis. For the last leg of their journey, the samples will return to Earth in the same Dragon capsule that gave them a ride to microgravity. After Dragon splashes down in the Pacific Ocean, it's taken to the port of Long Beach, where NASA will be ready to retrieve the precious cargo.
Splashdown for Dragon was on Sunday, I believe. And so NASA has a group called Cold Stowage and Cargo Manifest, and they go out and pick up the payloads from Dragon. And then they distribute it to people at LA or whoever needs them there, and then they bring them also here to Johnson Space Center. And so now I'm out front at the Cold Stow office, And I just picked up Module 74, which is our Tympanogen project. And they hand it to me and I put it in my cooler, and then I drive it over to our office where it's gonna sit until we fly up to the Tympanogen office in Richmond, Virginia to do the final phase of the experiment, which is removing the samples out of the reactor microplates. We're really proud to take part in this really interesting experiment.
When we first got our gels back, it was already exciting because space never loses its cool, and so we had these places where, oh my god, these are what the astronauts touched. And so we opened up and they've been to space and back, and now they're in our lab.